Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing, I don't even know what I'm going to call this makeup. I got a new lip gloss. I saw the Roblox and I had to get it, okay? So this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Major Flex. This was a collaboration with the Roblox. Look at it, y'all. Look at that. Okay, the Roblox face. So I basically wanted to do a makeup look where I could use this. So, yeah. Hey guys, so I finished my brows and they look like the brows that I did for that classic red look makeup video. I'll link that right over here if y'all want to watch that. But they do look like the brows and I actually don't like those brows. So first I'm going to go in with just random brows that I have from my Juvia's Place palette. So right now I'm using this palette right here. This is the Warrior palette and this one. Okay, and they all have little brown shades in them and I'm going to be using those brown shades. I'm just going to mix between those brown shades and I'm going to hope for the best. Y'all will see. Now I'm going to take a little white concealer and I'm going to put that right in here and kind of create a little cut crease, but one that's not too sharp. Now I'm going to use some of this Fenty Beauty glitter. I'm going to put that on my eye. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this 𝘠𝘪𝘃𝑗 glitter, the white one. Hey guys, so I think I actually like this makeup a lot more than I thought I would. And now we're starting on blush. I'm thinking about doing like an ombre blush. Starting out with this one, and then I'm going to slowly like deepen it a little bit more in here, and I'm going to come out with a lighter blush. Okay, now I'm going to use this shade. Now I'm going to deepen this one more time with this shade. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to go in with the normal shade blush, this shade. I literally keep forgetting to start this camera when I start doing stuff, but I'm going in with this 𝘠𝐻𝑒nastasia highlighting palette and going in with the Lucky Clover shade, which is green. I already put some on my nose and I'm starting with this part here. Okay, and I'm going to tap a tiny bit here. Hey guys, so now it's time for me to do my lippy, and I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this little shade right here. I'm gonna put that on my lips. Only the top lip, I think. I'm gonna take a mix of this MAC pencil in Cork and this Morphe pencil in Trendsetter. Cute. No. Trendsetter. Okay guys, now for the special part, which is the Rihanna gloss I was telling you guys about earlier. I'm gonna come back once I have everything like prepared, like my hair and all that different stuff. So I'll be back in a little bit, and I hope you guys are still here to see the end. Okay guys, so I just finished up with doing my hair. It is super simple. I braided 2 little pieces and I just folded it over. It kind of reminds me of like a Star Wars hairstyle. I forget the Princess Leia? I can't remember the name. Star Wars, okay. With that, I'm done with this look. It definitely turned out different than how I initially thought I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna do like a black and white makeup, but after I added this little accent eyeliner under here, my whole look changed, and I like it. I like the change. Okay guys, with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. This lip gloss, y'all, I like it a lot. It's very nice, very pretty, and it's very shiny. Definitely 10 out of 10. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video because I enjoyed doing this makeup look. It looks really cool. But yeah, I'm done now. I don't really have much to say. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. And if you're still here, comment a star emoji, a black heart emoji, or a snake emoji. Look how pretty this makeup look is, y'all. So I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Next week. I'll see y'all next week, okay? Thank y'all for watching.